What's going on YouTube? It's your boy DeVintage. Today I'm about to go into the mall and see how them Olive 13s is looking. I forgot what else released. I think it's some like Air Max or something. But hopefully they got them in this Foot Locker. That's the only store I go to in this mall. I got bad blood with the chimps in there. It just don't feel right going in there no more.
I don't say you got bad blood.
It's not bad. It's like it don't feel right for me to go in there. So I always go to Foot Locker and go in there and take it out. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get into this vlog. Do it on feet. You gotta do it on low. Yeah, you like to do that, huh?
Honey, is it even getting your feet?
Why wouldn't it? I got wide ankle legs. That unreleased, you know what I'm saying? Look how empty it is, y'all. Empty as hell. That's how I like it. That's how I like it, man. Oh my goodness, y'all. These are hot. I might have to cop these right here. I'm gonna have to. I gotta get these joints. These is hard. Snapchat had an icy blue sole on there. Even better. We got these big boats. They're nice though. I'm gonna get a pair of LeBron 15s before the end of this year, you know what I'm saying? Just cause I love LeBron. No homo. And they got these right here. That's what I came here for, but them phones look way better than these. I would do a review on these, but you think the PX got them? You think the PX got these? They might. If PX got them, I'll do a review for y'all. But if not, hey. Huh? Yeah, call. They're probably not gonna answer though. Got the flynit ones in here. People sleep on these. I'm gonna cop them eventually just because I ain't got no flynits in my collection. Just at least one pair, you feel me? These are straight. Then I got these Kyrie 4s right here. Not really feeling them. They're straight though. I'm gonna get at least one pair. Man, these joints is hard. I got these right here. Different colorway. Straight. How y'all feel about these? Let me know in the comment section below. We got the all white Hirachis back in the mall. Straight. Got the Jordan wall. This probably the last size. These actually did better than what I thought they was gonna do. They ain't sit for like months, you know what I'm saying? This probably the last size. I'm gonna ask them. And they got the Apple 213s. If you ain't checked this review on feet, y'all go check that out. Very nice sneaker. What girl?
Remember the video? The little boy took his sister?
I don't remember.
Hey.
What shoes you gonna give me? Which ones? Flip flops? You childish. Got the wheats in here. And the gold foams. And these. I wanna get these. Those look way better than them. These are too different. Paul George need to come up with some better colorways. Candace like these ugly joints.
Why you lying?
Like wool or something on these ones. GS sizes. These ones is hard too. I need to get them my size. Get baby. Where we going now? I'm not going to the champs.
You going there? Or
We going there? Yeah. I finally found them joggers I've been wanting. And Zoomies for 50 bucks. I might go try them on and see how they look, so stay tuned.
Yeah, I'll be in a fuss. All my friends going up. Yeah, who's the real plug now? I guess that might be us now. Yeah, always on the road, I never home. Got a couple bands on my own.
my sneaker. Pharrell Human Races. This is dope. It's like basic, but still Pharrell, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, this got a little too. It's dark in here, but Candace want to go in this children's place. She just so excited about all the stuff for our baby girl. She is so excited. But yeah, I see. Let me see.
Little kittens. Little flats.
That's too big though for a little baby.
Yeah. They don't really wear shoes when they're little.
Here.
But those are so cute.
Alright, can't wait to swag my baby girl out. So I'm gonna catch her at the crib. What's going on, YouTube? We back at the crib from picking up a pair of sneakers. And I asked y'all on the thumbnail what y'all think I copped. I think I probably gave it away. I ain't had the video yet. But here we have it, man, from Foot Locker. Y'all can see. It was either the Olive 13s or them foams y'all seen. I kept holding up, picking up in my hand. And here we go. The Nike Air Foamposite box. You can just smell the shoe already just from smelling it from the box, man. It's just crazy. And here you go. Size tag right there. Size 9.5. That's why we're wearing foams. And I suggest everybody else to go up a half a size in their Foamposites, man. It's the Air Foamposite 1 Premium, man. Premium. These mugs is nice. Retailing at $250. Fish colorway black, Aurora green, and black. And pop that off. No special box. And here we have it. Bam. Look at these beauties right here, bro. These are so nice. So nice. Like, as soon as I picked them up, I was like, I gotta cop them. Like, this feel on it, it don't feel like no other Foamposite I've had. And I got a lot of Foamposite, and this material they got on here is very, very nice. There's a lot of flaws on this pair. I might, hold on, let's see if I can get it off. I don't know, but this pair right here, I'm glad I added to my collection. And my question to y'all in the mall was, what if they would have threw an icy blue sole on the bottom of these? Like, can y'all see sole swap on these for icy blue sole or clear sole? I think that would have put this shoe over the top of the Galaxy ones. I'm going after the Galaxy one as well. And to all my Foamposite heads, man, how do y'all feel about these? Let me know in the comment section below. I know y'all probably was the first one to jump on these, and I had to get them, bro. Add them to the Foamposite collection, man. You feel me? So if y'all want to see a review and on feed of these, I'll be glad to do it. Just wanted to show you what I picked up today and hit the mall, see what they had. And that's pretty much it, yo. Like I said in the comments below, let me know how you feel about these. Like, comment, subscribe to your boy. Hit that notification bell. Follow me on Instagram and on Snapchat. And y'all stay tuned for this banger that's about to drop either later tonight or tomorrow. So y'all stay tuned. Appreciate all love and support. Make sure y'all go check out that review and on feet of these bad boys that are out today, y'all seen. Bam. Go check that out for your boy. And catch you on the next one. Gone.
Control that liquor. Break down everything I can. Pill, drink, drug, won't destroy my liver. My liver. Pill, drink, drug, won't destroy